Hey guys, 4340, we are off into week 2. So a couple of quick things. First, please make sure to review the feedback that I left in the document I returned to you for your week 1 assignment. So when you go to the feedback, you'll see the rubric, and that's all there so you can see how you were scored. But if you scroll all the way down, you'll find an attachment, and that is where you will find feedback within your paper, specific comments on specific lines and things. If you're having trouble finding it, please let me know. It's really important that we take our writing to the next level. You guys are now at the end of your second semester. Remember that these assignments should reflect formal academic writing. So it's good to think about your experiences, but really drawing on those experts, using academic language, using academic resources, and things like that, very important. Finally, I want to recommend that instead of just sitting down and writing the assignment, you sit down, write the assignment, go away from it for a little while, and then come back and review it with fresh eyes. There were a lot of paragraphs that I read this week that were kind of incomplete, and it's like, okay, so how did you know that, or where did that come from? And in the moment when you're writing it, it's very clear in your own head. But when you come back, you will see it with different eyes and what it's like for a reader who hasn't been in your head working on it to read it. So please make sure to do that. And finally, at this point in the game, it's not just about saying what, it's about saying so what. So here's what I found in the case, and here's why it matters, and here's what the impact is. So make sure you're doing those things. Also, be sure to include introductions and conclusions in your work and follow APA formatting. If you have any questions, particularly about any feedback that I left, please let me know. I'm happy to set up a time to talk with you. I tried to be very clear in my feedback, but if it's not clear or you just need more information, don't be shy. That's what I'm here for. Have a great week, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.